In this video, I will show you how to change some of the properties of the charts on MetaTrader. You can actually do a number of things on the charts from the toolbar. At the top, you should take note of the zoom in, zoom out button. This will allow you to zoom into the platform. Also, you have the auto scroll, which will always bring you to the most recent part of the price data. So if you want to go back and look at some of the price history of last week, you want to make sure that that's unchecked so that you can scroll back and see what happened there. Also, you can change the style of the patterns. So if you want candlesticks, click the candlestick button. If you want a line chart, you click the line chart. Sometimes people click the candlestick and they say, well, I don't see the candlesticks. Most often you're just zoomed out too far, so it looks like a bar chart, so you want to be zoomed in. If you want to get the most recent price activity, click this little red button and it'll take you to what's taking place right now. Also, if you want to change the function or the time frame, you want to make sure that you have the periodicity toolbar checked, and then that'll look like this over here in the right hand corner. So let's go ahead and just change that to a 15-minute, and now the chart is gives you the 15-minute history. Okay, so in the properties, what you can do is change the colors. So all you want to do is right click on the background. You can also change the periodicity here. If you have a certain template, which is a certain set of indicators, chart colors, things like that, you can load and remove those here. You can add volumes. You can take the grid off, zoom in, zoom out. And at the very bottom is properties. If you go ahead and click on properties, you'll get a pop-up. There's two sections, colors and common. Colors will give you a color or a description of all the sections of the chart and the color it's using. Here's some defaults. I like the black on white. The black or the white background is what I use. I also like to change the color of my candles. So let's make a bull candle green, lime. Let's make a bear candle red. Okay. We could change the background. If you don't like white, let's go ahead and make it gray. Okay, so that's how you can change the different colors. You can change the colors on the side, change the color of the volumes, and when you have orders on, there's usually horizontal dotted lines that indicate where you've gotten in and out. You can also change the color of those where it says ask line. In common, you have some sections. These buttons are at the top of the toolbar. So your shift and your auto scroll, your different chart types. You can see you can get a line, a horizontal line that'll tell you what the current ask price is. The period separator, I think, is very key. This will give you two vertical lines showing you what one day's activity. Show grid, and then there's show volume. So let's go ahead and click OK, and then so here is the chart that we have set up. If you zoom out, you will see this horizontal line. This was Friday. Friday's close, and then Sunday's open right there. Here's the line indicating the current ask price, and so these are the chart properties. We have a video for indicators and technicals that will show you how to place them, how to edit them, how to remove them, things of that nature.